today's task. My very first car, Honda Civic, blew the motor. This car blew the motor. This is my third car now. Potentially blown the motor. Let's see. It's an eclipse of eclipses. This was always giving us problems. That has melted and has a big hole in it. Like, yeah. That's trash. Not sponsored, but it's enough to do for now. All right, so I have possibly terrible news. Yeah, did a bit of research, and it is very, very possible that this car might have a blown head gasket, which is just so interesting because my very first car, Honda Civic, blew the motor. This car blew the motor. This is my third car now. Potentially blown the motor. Let's see. So how this thing works is you put this in the radiator, put a little bit of that fluid in there, and you take this pump, put it in the top, pump any of the air that is in the radiator into the tube, and then this will change color. It will change from blue to yellow if there is exhaust gases in it. If there is exhaust gases in it, that means we have blown head gasket.
You wanna rebuild this car?
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, bro.
I know that when I see that car,
you know what?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, bro. I know it's beat, man. It's so beat right now, but
car, I know the people buying this car like that. All of the review cost.
I'm gonna try, man. I'm gonna try. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Eduardo.
Eduardo. CJ, bro. Thanks, brother. Take care. I think we're okay. Okay, that is, I think, good news. I think that means we can rule out head gasket. I don't know. Maybe thermostat. I'm imagining thermostat next. Yeah, but that is good news. That is good news. Okay, so today's task is this headliner, which is very, very disgusting and deteriorating very fast. So we need to get it out, but I'm definitely gonna need gloves, and I wish I had some eye protection because wow, this. It's a good job we don't have smell-o-vision. Now cough. Wow, this thing's gross. Okay. Ooh. Didn't like that. Looks like it's just a couple of Phillips. Let's take all this stuff out. This probably pops out. That doesn't look very fun. Same thing over there. Look at, oh my God, it's so bad. And I think same thing in the back. Yeah, so it looks easy enough, which is good because I don't want to be doing this stuffed in here for too much longer. But this, I think, is gonna make a huge difference over me not liking sitting in it. Because for one, this flaps against my head. Okay, let's just get going. take this off and then pry that away. Oh, fuck, I broke it. Oh, no, I didn't. I didn't break it. I may have broke it. That's a future CJ problem. I've done at least like 4 or 5 of these, but I will say, I didn't feel fear for my health while doing any of them. Also, this needs to go. That's not, that, whoever mounted that, that's stupid. This comes off. I can probably just pry. Yeah, there she goes. Wow, that's falling apart. It's out. And it is disgusting. Honestly, it is one of the main reasons why it is so horrible to be inside this car. That's okay. We're gonna recover it, and I think, well, I know it's gonna be a huge upgrade. Yeah. We're going with red, not because that's my first choice, but because they didn't have any blacks that I liked. So, I need scissors. So the plan is, if you haven't done this before, you spray this, you spray that, you wait, you attach it, lay it all flat, cut all the holes you need, and you're good. That's pretty much it. It's just that simple. I just wouldn't do it in this setup because this sucks. Shake can vigorously for 2 minutes. I messed up, so we're going again. Get thicker material. It is done. It's very red. I can confirm it is indeed red. But without further ado, let's throw this bad boy in. I don't think I'm going to use those sun visors, but just for when I do, eventually, I'll poke that hole in. There's the finished product. Well, somewhat finished. Have to paint all these beige trim pieces black eventually. And I think I'm going to do the side pillars, like all these side pillars, the A pillar and the B pillars. I think I'm going to do those all in black as well. And also that trim piece at the back. But for now, just so sitting in here is slightly more bearable, we have a red headliner.